Hello friends, today's topic, yesterday Infosys down by 10% in America, Monday how much in India, question mark. My name is Dr. Bharath Chandra, purpose of the video is service to society. As I know, all Dr. Bharat Chandra graduates and probably all our channel members could be having Infosys in their long-term portfolio as well as short-term portfolio. Yesterday, Infosys results have come out and now this video is after that event. Infosys announced its quarter results yesterday and it was quite weak and below analyst expectations. We have made a video about the highlights of the quarter results yesterday evening. Watch the video if not done so yet. Due to the uncertain business atmosphere, especially US and Europe, Infosys management has announced that it expects a revenue growth between 4 to 7% in financial year 2023-24. This is the first time since 2015-16 that Infosys is expecting single-digit growth in revenue. Usually, Infosys expects a growth of 14 to 16% every year. Before the announcement of the quarter results yesterday evening, Infosys shares fell by almost 3% since the market expected weak results because TCS also reported below expected results. Infosys shares are traded in New York Stock Exchange. Yesterday it fell by almost 10% after the announcement of the results. Infosys shares in New York Stock Exchange, you can see minus 10% yesterday. This is an advance indication that Infosys shares are likely to fall even in India on Monday. Since today was holiday for stock markets in India, Infosys shares will react to the results on Monday. As of now, we need to see the trading of Infosys shares in the US on Friday. If there is no major recovery, then the Infosys shares could fall 3 to 5% or more on Monday. Here is an important announcement. We are organizing a special recorded online course on how to write a will by a senior High Court advocate and trainer, Mr. Prashant Chandra. In order to give more details about the course, we are conducting a free webinar on date 16th April Sunday 10 a.m. to 10:35 a.m. You may be making investments for your future, but it is also important to secure your investment. Some of the topics of the online course will be as follows. What is a will? Why a will is important? Difference between nomination and will. Who can execute a will? How to write a will? Appropriate time for writing the will. Requirements and precautions before executing the will. The webinar is open to all people and you can refer your friends, parents, in-laws, uncles and aunties to participate in it too. To register for the free webinar, click on the link pasted in the description of this video. Now, continuing the matter of the video. The reason for the current pessimism in Infosys is that their performance was below expectations in financial year 2022-23 and they don't seem to expect much improvement in 2023-24. Due to this, shares could be weak this year until the economic situation improves in US and Europe. This slow growth is likely to be faced by other IT companies such as TCS, Wipro, HCL, etc. It's a problem for the entire IT sector. Since IT companies have good weightage in the Nifty and Sensex indices, the underperformance of the IT sector could negatively impact the overall stock market performance. IT sector stocks have been an overall downtrend since the last year. Looks like it is likely to continue for some more time. Of course, IT sector is a sector which has great potential. Each sector goes through difficult phases in their business every now and then. This is how businesses are. No business or sector can do well continuously. Many investors will give up in such phases. Investors who understand the nature of the business and have the maturity to understand the long-term capability of the company will be rewarded in the long term. The broader summary is, if IT company is also one of your 1 by 10 portfolio that you are holding for long term, then it is time to keep on buying small amounts of IT companies which are going down and down, especially leading stocks like TCS and Infosys. there is nothing to worry because in the long term, these stocks are going to appreciate and short-term fluctuations keep on happening, and that will be the time to buy in case the stock continues to be fundamentally good and what it is now. Finally, at the end of the video, here is a question. What do you plan to do with IT stocks considering further weakness expected? Hold, sell, or want to think further? If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends because they too may be having IT stocks. And finally, if you like the video, press the like button. And finally, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. All the best.